Hello, and once again, it's that time of year again. This is our annual Christmas show. It's a tradition of ours every year to make a Christmas tree ornament, a disc, from the previous year's Christmas tree. We've done that every year we've been together, and that's been since '93. So this is no exception. We're going to burn the date on this disc. This was last year's tree, and let's get started. I'll show you this year's disc in just a moment. Earlier today, I piled all our previous discs onto my bench top. So let's have a look. And here is our disc for this year's Christmas. We'll be putting it on our tree later tonight. And Jonine and I would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.